In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a component set with 7 variants and Smart Animate in Figma. We'll start by setting up the basic shape. Click on the Shapes tool and choose the circle. Draw a small circle, keep it modest in size so it's easy to manage later. With that circle selected, duplicate it twice so you end up with 3 circles side by side. Keep the spacing even for a clean look. Using the arrow keys can help you nudge things precisely. Now select all 3 circles together. Look to the right side panel, open the More Options menu by clicking the 3 dots, and choose Create Component Set. This wraps your 3 circles into a reusable component with variants. Up in the upper right, click the diamond icon to create a new variant. You can also duplicate the existing variant so you don't have to rebuild layout or spacing each time. Continue duplicating variants until you have 7 in total. Next, we'll adjust the circles within each variant to create the motion states. Leave the first set as your baseline arrangement. In the second variant, move the third circle slightly up to suggest a bounce. In the third variant, move the first circle slightly down. In the fourth variant, bring all 3 circles back into alignment. In the fifth variant, move the third circle slightly down. In the sixth variant, move the first circle slightly up. And in the seventh variant, align all 3 circles again. Keep the movement small and consistent so the animation feels smooth. Avoiding drastic jumps will produce better Smart Animate results. With the visual states ready, switch to the Prototype tab in the upper right. Click the first 3 circle variant and drag a prototyping connection to the second variant. Set the interaction to after delay, choose a delay of 1 millisecond, and set the animation type to Smart Animate. Then connect the second to the third to the fourth, and continue linking each variant to the next with the same 1 millisecond delay and Smart Animate settings. This creates a seamless progression through all 7 states. When everything is connected, click the preview button to see the results. You should now have a smooth, continuous animation that cycles through your 3 circles as they rise, fall, and realign. If the timing feels off, double check that each connection uses after delay with 1 millisecond and Smart Animate, and make sure the circle positions only shift slightly between variants for the cleanest